Mangal Maitri students, in the previous class we have already discussed about how heavy and how light an object is. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the units of measuring weight and how do we measure it. First of all, what do we mean by a weight of an object? Weight is the measure of the heaviness of an object. बेसिकली जो सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट्स हम मेजर करते हैं उसके वेट जो उसकी हैवीनेस है, भार है. सिमिलरली वेट जो है सॉलिड में आपके कोई भी फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रॉसरी आइटम्स, when you can weigh yourself also. For measuring these we have two units, gram and kilogram. Gram is the smaller unit of weight and kilogram is the bigger unit of weight. Some of you must have seen these kind of metal weights in some shops. See, these are the metal weights that are approved by the government. Now let's see how these metal weights are helpful in measuring weight and how do we measure with the help of these. For better understanding, I have made a demonstration of a weighing balance in front of you. Let us understand how it works. This is
demonstration of a weighing balance. See, a weighing balance, this kind of a weighing balance have two pans. It has two pans. On one pan we used to keep the things or the objects which we wish to measure, okay, and on the another pan the shopkeeper or we used to keep the weights, the metallic weights, okay, that are approved by the government. Fine. It will help you in understanding how we measure our things with the help of this weighing balance. Okay, you must have seen this kind of balance earlier also in some shops or vegetable vendors. Okay, they are having this kind of weighing balance. Along with this, they have some metallic weights. They have some metallic weights like this: 10 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams. Okay, so how they measure it? So in one pan or on one pan they put the things what the person of the buyer wants to buy. जो हमें खरीदना होता है शॉपकीपर उस चीज़ को एक पैन में रखता है. Okay, and on the another pan he puts the metallic weight. जो metallic weights होते हैं ना वो उसको second pan में रखता है. Okay, if both the pans बैलेंसेस ईच अदर, इफ मतलब दोनों के दोनों अगर बिल्कुल इक्वल बैलेंस कर लेते हैं एक दूसरे को, दैट मीन्स दो जो ऑब्जेक्ट आप खरीदना चाह रहे हैं वो उतने वजन का है जितना कि आपने इसमें मेटालिक वेट रखा है. सी, राइट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल बिकॉज दिस इज हैवियर. अब ये नीचे चला गया है. जो हैवी वाली चीज़ होती है वो आपकी नीचे चले जाती है और जो लाइटर होता है वो ऊपर आ जाता है. सी, so here it is not balanced right now. Okay, when it will balance, जब आपका दोनों के दोनों पैन्स बिल्कुल इक्वल हाइट्स पे होंगे, okay, तब आपका जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट आप खरीदना चाह रहे हैं उसका वजन वो होगा जो कि आपने मेटालिक वेट रखा है.
Here kilogram is written as kg. Kg is the short form for kilogram and gram is written as g. I hope now you have understood how to measure weight with the help of a weighing balance. But nowadays most of the shopkeepers have digital machines with them in which we don't use the metallic weights like this. We only have to put the things or the objects which we want to buy and it will automatically tell you the weight of that object. Relationship between kg and gram is 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Let us understand kg and gram with the help of this example. Here is a pineapple and a mango.
This pineapple is of 1 kg and this mango alone is less than 1 kg. Okay,
I hope now you would be able to tell which are the objects that are heavier than 1 kg and which are the objects that are less than 1 kg. Thank you.